In this video, we'll go over how to fill taxes for Airbnb. So what you need to do is come here, the top right, okay? Click on your profile icon, and then just click on account. Now, right here, you will see an option for taxes. You can go ahead and add your taxpayer information, right? This is actually required for most countries and regions. You can add this information directly to Airbnb. So just enter the location, for example, United States, and then they will ask you for further details. For example, here they may ask you to fill out and sign the tax form. So depending on your situation, we have Form W-9 if you are a U.S. Taxpayer, if you're a citizen, tax resident, or businesses that are filing a U.S. tax return. Or are you a foreign taxpayer that you're filing a U.S. tax return for, right? There's also others for foreign citizens or foreign businesses. Choose the one that is applicable for you and go ahead and press on next. And then go ahead and fill all of the information right here, right? Your tax ID number, what are you going to be using, your SSN. If that's applicable for you, go ahead and enter your SSN and how you want your 1099 delivery. So when your form is available for download, they will send it to you either by email or you can choose to be delivered by mail. You just enter in your address and then you just sign and date the W-9 form, right? You do that. And then if applicable to you, you can also go ahead and add your VAT details. So here you'd have to provide your tax documents as well, right? They will need your documents and you can download that from here. So whatever is applicable to file your taxes, you will find it right here, okay? And you can also file the taxes using your details earning information and find that in the earning summary. So if applicable, you can add also a VAT ID number, enter in your details depending on your country, but otherwise it's really easy and simple. And in the end, you will get your tax documents available for each year right here, okay?